Santosh, my next question is actually on a theme which is quite interesting. In fact, this is a common question that's been asked in many of the sessions that I attend. What's your view on art as a theme? And also, if you can add, about your views about real estate or REIT as an investment idea.
So first I'll go with REITs. Today you have only some 3 REITs and one InvIT, I think. See, all the questions they asked are great investment teams globally. Now in India, we are a developing nation and our investment appetite is getting better by the day. So an investment appetite consists of two things. One is the availability of the products. Two is the interest from the investor. Now, when the products are available, interest comes in. And when more interest comes in, more products come. For example, silver as an investment was given green light approval to invest in ETFs only in Jan 2022 by the regulator SEBI. Similarly, we do not have a fund yet on the mainstream for art. REITs started 3 to 4 years ago. Now, all these are good alternative investments. Question is, you have very limited options, and the options being limited and small, today, very few people take exposure to them. But this will change. For example, 10 years ago, you had less number of thematic schemes than what you are today. 10 years ago, you had practically very limited exposure to index funds or what we call the smart beta funds than what it is today. But the industry is evolving, right? Now, if you were in the developed markets like the US, you have art funds as easily available like a mutual fund, but not so in India. You also have to understand we have completely two different purchasing powers. Usually, all these things come to the top or maybe more popularity depending on how economy or a nation progresses. When the whole pie increases, that's when alternatives come in to make a play. So maybe we are a little early for art funds and maybe even more real estate funds to come in. But what we have are pretty good, and they're robust because the regulator is behind them, and there's a lot of work gone into allowing such products to be in the marketplace.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.